Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get started with Linux from zero, even you have never used it before. What is Linux? Linux is an operating Linux is an open source operating system. It is used by most of hackers, pen tester, developers and IT engineers. There are lot of Linux distro in market, but some important distro are Kali Linux. It is used by hackers or pen testers. Next one, Parrot OS. It contains privacy and security compared to Kali Linux. Next one, Ubuntu. It is user friendly. So we will learn some basic commands by using terminal. First command pwd print working directory. It shows in which directory we are in. Second one is ls. Ls means list. It will list the folders and files. And the third one is cd, change directory. So cd downloads. Now we are in download directory. We can see by pwd. And fourth one, command dot dot means we came back one directory. You can see slash home slash cyberworld. Now we will go through how to create folders and files. So next command is mkdir means make directory. So I am creating a directory test. See, we can see test name directory we created. So in that we are going to create file by using. So in that we are going to create file by using touch command. touch test.txt. So we can see test.txt file. So we can give input also to test.txt by echo command. Echo hello friend. So now we can read test.txt by cat command. Cat test.txt. We can see hello friend. To remove the test.txt file, we will use rm command. Rm test.txt. So we can see the file is deleted. To remove folders, we use rm-r folder name. So test folder also we deleted. In next part, we will see about the Linux file systems.